This is basically an update video for the video I did 3 years ago.
I think this game just breaks. It's like Call of Duty works.
Well,
it's like,
Matt, it's not just that. It is literally just at this point, the thing's so old, there is no disc in it, and we try everything. So I'm gonna show you my method of what I did 3 years ago, and whether it works or not, that's up to y'all to believe. But it worked for me last time. So watch. And I'm not kidding when I say there is no disc in there. So just hold on.
Open to show you.
Let me see, because sometimes if I partially put a disc in and hit the eject, it'll push it and now it won't. And no other disc would have fit in if there was one already in it. I tried.
Where else can I get a PS3 from?
Freaking GameStop or eBay, I don't know. My method is no guaranteed fix by no means. But, like I said, that's why I'm posting it up online to show y'all. You gotta take this off and take out the hard drive. Hold up. I'm only gonna say this a few times, but do this at your own risk. Crap. Hold up. We may resume after I found a bit small enough. Anyways, like I said, what I did 3 years ago is I removed this hard drive. This is the very same hard drive that came with the PS3. Never changed it once. And I still haven't to this day. So, pull it out. Yeesh, it's dusty. That's nasty. Original hard drive. Now, I'm going to turn it on because I don't remember all the steps. Wrong button. You're going to see that it'll register nothing in it. Registers. Okay, let's see. Black screen. What's it gonna say? I remember before it registered nothing in it. At least, like I said, that was before. That was 3 years ago. Cannot start. The appropriate system storage was not found. Okay, that's what I saw last time. So, we're on the right track. I think it basically disabled everything, so I had to turn it off at the back. Alright, I'll put the hard drive in and I'll show you. Let's see. Hold up. See, this is the same hard drive, and it's going back into the PlayStation. Okay. There's the screw for it, and I will be right back after I tighten it down.
Wait,
You can see this is back in now. But like I said before, do this at your own risk. Don't take my word for it. For the moment of truth. See how well it worked.
Because that seems to be the problem game.
Yeah, get it. Get it. Again, wrong button. I forgot. I was trying to turn off my flash and I hit something else.
Wait, where'd I put it?
I think you gave it to me.
Damn it. I don't have it. Oh, well.
Alright, go ahead.
Dumbass.
Now, let's just do it on my user.
Ew.
Alright, put it in.
God damn it.
Hey.
Hey!
See, is it reading?
Oh.
Hold up. Give it a minute.
I know, I just felt saying oh.
It reads!
You know what? I'm not going to unplug it and put it in my room for now.
I gotta say, just play it. Just get on your account and play.
Yeet.
There you go. Now, hit play because I want them to see proof that it worked.
Alright. Just, file cannot be played. I was about to say. Oh, I didn't sign in.
Matthew, I don't give a shit.
Thanks, Christopher.
Alright. Come on. Ah!
Okay,
okay, that's enough.
That's an update. So, yeah, game plays.
Alright, good.
Oh, damn!
Do not throw my controller, because that's mine. If you want, could you please go get yours?
No.
Alright, but there's proof that it works. Alright, see you in the next one.
No.